Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Liberation through Renunciation. Chapter 18, Shloka 27. Passionate, desiring to gain the fruits of actions, greedy, harmful, impure, full of delight and grief, such an agent is said to be Rajsika, passionate.
Chapter 18, Shloka 27. Ragi karma phala prepsuho lubdo himsatmako shuchihi harsha shogan vitakkarta rajasa parikirtitah.
Chapter 18, Shloka 27. The Rajasic doer is described. He belongs to the passionate type, full of desires, passions, and attachments, and clings to his selfish gain and goal. He is working for the fruit of the work. He is greedy as he is never satisfied with what he gains and thirsts for more. His desires keep on multiplying. Because of the push and pull of desires and passions, he becomes harsh in his pursuits. He can injure others if they were to meet his end. He doesn't care for the sorrow he is causing to others. He tends to become impure and immoral and also unrighteous in his methods. Throughout his life, he is full of agitations and passions, full of delight and sorrows. Such a man is a passionate Rajasic doer. In this and the previous shloka, we have seen the details of the Sattvic and the Rajasic type of doers in the world. Whenever a true seeker discovers symptoms of Rajas growing in him, he should take notice of them at once consciously and try to discover the Sattvic beauty. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.